There it is. So, Knipex needle nose pliers. Handy little size. Nice sharp tool for stripping cables. Generally very handy, easy to use. Pinpoint accuracy. So sharp, easy second fix pliers to use. Nice little alternating grip on the needle portion. Very open gripping portion to grab cables nice and easily without damaging them at all. Not massively wide open. Yeah, nice. Polished design, nice bit of weight to them. So we're alright with that. So the Knipex needle nose pliers, a very handy little electrical tool. Knipex very well renowned for making very good quality items. Yeah, very impressed with them. Nice chunky grip on them, no chance of slipping past and accidentally giving yourself a little buzz. Lovely.